morning, children. How are you all? Now we are going to, I am going to start with the third chapter, that is rain. Where does it come from? Daily you are enjoying since 1 week. Rains, heavy to very heavy rains. Everywhere is flooded with water only, isn't it? So here we will know about the water exists in three forms, stages of water. Forms of water. So here two sisters are there, Ramya and Soumya. They were started to go to school. What their mother said is, better you carry umbrella. We can't say when the rains start. Why, mom? There is no rains. Why to carry umbrella? They are asking question to mother. No, see the clouds. The cloud. Too much cloudy is there, dark it is. So you have to carry umbrella. Better you have to carry the umbrella. Okay. So now while going to school, so many questions arise in their mind. Why, mom? How, mom? Why do we get rains? And how, mom? Our mother predicted that there will be rains, isn't it? So how she knows that there will be a rains? So here rains is a common phenomenon like sunlight and air, isn't it, in our daily life? It is a common phenomenon. So we generally get more rains in rainy season. When we get more rains in the rainy season, we get more rains, isn't it? So here our general observation is that when the sky is cloudy, we get the rains. But all clouds, we will not get the rains, isn't it? So here to understand about the clouds and rains, we need to first understand about the water. That is forms of water. The water exists in how many forms? 3 forms. The water exists in 3 forms. Solid state of water is ice. Solid state of water is ice, isn't it? How the ice formation takes place? When you at low temperature, the water converts into ice, isn't it? So where you find it? In which season we get more snowfall? In cool hill stations, isn't it? We get snowfall more there. So what is a solid form of water? Is a ice. Now how this next coming to liquid form of, when you keep this ice on the table, ice is in solid state. Here I am showing you. Have you seen the ice? Isn't it? Ice. We get ice in solid state. Now what you want to do? Heat this oil. Or keep it on in normal temperature. Keep it in normal temperature or heat these ice pieces. What happens? When you heat it ice, it converts into, it changes into liquid state, that is water. Water is a liquid form. Water exists in liquid form. Water exists in liquid form. Now this water, further you heat the water, supply heat. Heat and cool. Isn't it? Again, supply heat. This water, what happens? When it starts boiling, it changes into vapor state. Changes into vapor state of water, that is in a gaseous state. Vapor state of the water is called gaseous state. isn't it? On heating and again on cooling. So what is the gaseous state of water? Water vapor. Water vapor exists in gaseous state. So now here, this water vapor on cooling. Water vapor on cooling changes into water. Isn't it? On further cooling of water vapor changes into ice. On further cooling of water changes into ice. Here I will show you how. See, on cooling water you get ice is in solid state. On heating the ice you get water. Water is in liquid state. On further heating the water changes into gaseous state. That is the vapor state. Water vapor. What do you call it? Water vapor. Now, this water vapor on cooling, water vapor on cooling converts into water, that is a liquid state. On further cooling of water, converts into ice. So here this is what you call it, interchangeable state of water. One state of water changes into other state of water. So it is called interchangeable state of water. Interchangeable states of water. Interchangeable states of water. So how this gaseous water vapor? There are many reasons are there to get the water vapor in the air. It is not only from the water bodies, the water evaporates due to heat of the sun on large scale. Apart from this, when you dry the clothes, where that water goes? In the atmosphere only in the form of water vapor. Isn't it? When you dry the clothes also, the water will be released and that water vapor will be enters into the atmosphere. Isn't it? On cooling, this water vapor changes into water. It is in liquid state. On further cooling, the water changes into solid state. This is interchangeable states of water. Understood, children? So this is what you call it, interchangeable states of water. So now this is the rainy season. Sometimes what happens, you are seeing the roads are flooded with the water. Everywhere you are seeing the water. Water will be stagnant like that only? No, it will be evaporated due to heat of the sun. Isn't it? Not only from the water bodies. Wherever the water will be there in open, that will be evaporated and enters into the atmosphere and forms the clouds. Then you get again rains. When these clouds are cooled down, you will get rains again. So you will study in the next session. We will discuss in next session. Thank you.